something a bit different. Online. €1 to unlock, 25 cents a minute. See how we go. Okay, Paula, lead the way. We're just turning left and going all the way up. Cross the road. Oosh. Up along there. Right, Paula's going on the footpath. Fuck it, I'll go on the footpath. Bumpy road. They're a lot faster than walking anyway. This G-Wagon. Very nice. There's usually a speedometer, but this one isn't working. Do you know what max speed they do, Paula? 20 kilometers, Paula thinks. And then they go slow when you're in a pedestrian street. They max out at a few kilometers. There's a lot of nice bikes around. No, we're going that way. I'm just going to video this bike for this video. A Vrum moto, never heard of it. This is Milan, Italy. I didn't say that today. We're going to ICMA, the motorbike event, a motorbike show. Full throttle here, and that's where the speedometer should say what speed you're going and the percentage of the battery. And you scan a QR code there. Scan a QR code to unlock a euro to unlock, and then 25 cents every minute. Easy now.
Però sì, effettivamente la prendono.
Full skids in them and do a slappy. No. you think of it, Paul? All those bikes are electric and rentable as well. This is Lime, and Lime do bicycles and scooters, and on the app it shows them all over it. It's like Google Maps, but it just shows you where all the scooters and bicycles are.
Infatti c'ho tutte 20 attaccate e faccio tutto.
Faster than a tram. What? The tram was beeping those guys.
Abbiamo riscattato il linkage dal tram. Vai, vai, attacca dietro.
Ready? Let's do a drag race. Oh shit. This fella wants to race. Let's do a trial section, will we? A trial section. Oh shit. Some fancy lamps. Oh, now it knows I'm not supposed to be here, so it won't go max speed now. Faster running it. Oh, nice girl. Shall we drag race? You must be close to that big fancy church. How do I know? I don't know. Well, I don't know. I'm just guessing we must be close. Grazie. Grazie mille. There's actually enough ground clearance there you could ride off. Probably couldn't ride up this one though. Look, you gotta, as your foot's on it, look, like this. Before you go up, when your foot's on, yeah, you push and pull. No, closer. Now, push and pull. Yeah, that's it. You'll learn it eventually. On a drag race to that bin or whatever it is. Okay, ready, set, go. Oh shit. Oh, what's that? Huh? Strip club. Venus Club. There's another Spontini. Spontini.
Should we try that fast food place, the Jolly something?
Jubilee.
Huh?
Jubilee, I think is the name
I
of
thought
it.
it was the Jolly something.
Could be right. We had Spontini pasta, or no, pizza for lunch, and it was decent. It was delicious. Scusi. Ow. I just want to finish the video here.
The rain is a kind of tears.
Look at that.
It's the rain of tears in Ukraine for already months because Russia is killing people in Ukraine. Russian soldiers are destructing and demolishing Ukrainian citizens, Ukrainian houses,
This is Duomo
Ukrainian people.
Cathedral. We were in there
So
It was lovely.
Indeed, in Ukraine,
The scooter's gone slow now, may as well park him. Where do we park him? Just over here?
because thousands of civilians.
Let's park it with that other one.
Because hundreds of kids are already killed. Because Ukrainian infrastructure is destroyed.
I'm actually scooting with my leg power now because it's gone so slow. Now, we'll finish. Just end the ride on the phone. And ask you to take a photo.
This is why we're standing here and reminding the world about the war, about the terrible things which Russian aggression brought to our
Picture.
Another important thing is that probably some of you heard today in the news, read today in the news that Russian generals announced that they will be
travelled
retreating from the city of Kherson.
1.9 kilometers, 22 minutes, cost $6.75.
Announced and proved that like part of Russia. So now they are announcing that they will be retreating from this city. And here is very important not to be fooled, not to be trapped by Russian propaganda.
That's where the likes of Prada, Dolce & Gabbana and shit is.
The fact that Russia
Expensive
is
shops.
losing this war.
Paula's scooter isn't shutting off. This is
Russian propaganda is
what's it saying?
the sentence, the topic which will be developed.
Or such rare is what I done. I closed it and opened it. Closed the app.
I just did it.
We are moving back our soldiers. Indeed, it's a fake.
What the fuck, all the way up there?